kasi scholar ka ng bayan eh, di ba? So, merong naiiwan pagmamahal sa bayan ba, no? Parang gano'n, no? How can we help, in what ways can we improve, no? And in fact, in 2005, this started as a movement eh, ang bagong Pinoy, no? I created an online forum and I invited some friends, no? Sabi ko, pag-usapan nga natin bakit ba ganito ang bansa natin, ano ba at ano yung pwede natin magawa, no? Ano yun, Yahoo Group pa ng panahon na yun, ano, wala pang ano eh, wala pang
Naabutan ko
Facebook
naman
na, no?
yan.
But I was surprised at the interest, no, that it generated. In fact, it became one of the most popular Yahoo groups on Yahoo at the time, no? And it got the attention of people. We were invited. We were featured in newspaper articles. Invited to guests on TV, radio, you know.